8 genius ways to break your child's screen addiction, backed by science. Hello friends, did you know that when kids overuse mobile phones and screens, their brain's dopamine system gets disrupted? The direct effects: reduced concentration, increased irritability, poor sleep, and sadly, emotional distance from parents. We live in a time where completely avoiding screens may not be possible, but controlling mobile addiction in kids still today is possible. In this video, I'll share 8 scientific strategies to reduce screen addiction. I have tested it myself and the results are guaranteed. Here's the strategy number 1. Use the right words. When you say, "You always use your phone," or when you say it in front of others, "My kid is always on the phone," guess what? You're unknowingly reinforcing that behavior onto your child. Instead, try this. "I love that you're using your phone less today." Positive words help the child's brain move in the right direction. Strategy number 2, reduce your own screen time. Kids learn 20% from what you say, but 80% from what you do. If you scroll during your free time, they will do the same. So put your phone away when you are with them and connect. Strategy number 3, reducing kids' screen time without the drama. Now, there are 3 steps to this. First, gradually reduce access. Instead of deleting everything at once, which may trigger frustration, start by removing the most time-consuming or aggressive games first, and limiting the others to weekends or specific hours. And make use of the parental control apps to set screen time limits. Second, replace, don't just remove. Kids need something engaging to fill the gap. Try some educational apps or creativity tools like drawing, coding, music making. Offline hobbies like books, crafts, board games, or puzzles to keep them engaged. Enroll them in some sports, dance, music, or some art classes. Third, involve the child in the decision making. Talk to your child about why you're reducing screen time. Explain how it affects sleep, mood, and learning. Let them help pick healthier activities. This builds cooperation instead of rebellion. Strategy number 4, keep your child engaged. Bored kids turn to screens, but when they have school, play, friends, or hobbies, they don't need it. Enroll them in things that excite them. Better concentration in studies also helps reduce screen time. Strategy number 5, set time limits. When giving a phone, set a clear time limit. Show them the clock. Studies show a 2-minute plan often turns into 40 minutes. So, set a timer, stick to it, take the phone back after time's up. They will adjust. Trust the process. Strategy number 6, say no to reels and shorts. Short videos like reels are made to hook your brain like a habit. Instead, let your child watch longer videos that teach or inspire them, like motivational videos, educational videos, creative content. After they watch, ask, "What did you learn?" This helps their brain focus on good thoughts and learning. Strategy number 7, watch YouTube on TV. If you have a smart TV, have them watch videos there instead of phones. Why this works? You can easily see what they're watching. The bigger screen reduces mindless scrolling, and kids start choosing better, more meaningful content on their own. And finally, strategy number 8, my favorite. Play with your kids. Be their friend. Play, run, talk, laugh. If you play for 30 minutes, they are 30 minutes screen free and emotionally connected to you. I do this myself and the results are amazing. If any of these tips helped you, please comment below with the ones you are going to try and smash that like button. It helps YouTube share this video with more amazing parents like you. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any helpful parenting videos.